welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 19th. Market analysis. Due to Moody's, a rating agency suddenly downgraded the U.S. sovereign credit rating. The yield of U.S. long-term Treasury bonds rose sharply. Coupled with the breakdown of the Russian-Ukrainian conflict negotiations and the resurgence of market risk aversion, the spot gold market bottomed out last Friday night, reaching a minimum of $3,154.30 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,201 per ounce. On this trading day, Asia opened higher and then surged back, reaching a maximum of $3,252.23 per ounce and a minimum of $3,206.42. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a low shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 3206 to 3230, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,230 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 3240 to 3250. If the afternoon market breaks 3,206 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 3196 to 3186. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1131 and 1.1200. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1200 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1260 to 1.1290. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1131 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1100 to 1.1070. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3252 to 1.3314. If the market breaks 1.3314 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3380 to 1.3420. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3252 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3200 to 1.3180. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a low level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6387 to 0.6423. If the market breaks 0.6423 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6500 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6387 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6340 to 0.6300. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is fluctuating. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 144.78 to 145.48. If the market breaks 145.48 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 146.00 to 146.50. If the afternoon market breaks 144.78 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 144.40 to 143.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.